In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the history that you have in your Google account. First option, we are going to open Chrome application, and in the upper right three dots we can see the history. In this history we have the option clear browsing data and time range, the last 14 minutes, last hour, all time, last 4 week, and week select cookies, browsing history, cache files, and clear data. The second option is go to the settings on your phone and select your Google and administrate your manage your account and personal info and to the slides in data and privacy. We can see my activity, and here we can see the options with the lead in last hour, last time, constant rate. And this is all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel of Tecnoguías.